EURUSD daily price markup for Friday the 29th of September. This is the daily chart. We are now bearish. We have had a break of structure over here, and after the break of structure we can expect a pullback to happen. For the pullback to happen, the least that we want to see is a change of character or a chalk followed by an IBOS. So we'll have to wait and see if that happens. If we look left, we do have this daily demand zone, and I'm expecting probably price will pull down into this and then kind of react and maybe pull up to this and then continue downwards. So this is as far as the daily is concerned. We are bearish. We've had a break of structure, after which I'm expecting price to kind of pull down into this demand zone and then wait for the pullback to happen. Moving on to the H4, this is what the H4 looks like. Obviously we're bearish here too. We've had a break of structure, and I'm now expecting maybe since we've already had a change of character over here, probably this is the IBOS or the internal break of structure, and maybe we pull deeper into this zone over here. But once we kind of come up here, I'm expecting some kind of a reaction, which maybe we pull down here and then continue further up. But we'll have to wait and see whether the pullback has started or not. So yes, the H4 is bearish, and we are probably just about to start the pullback, and we might just pull back into, if we look at the premium and discount, I'm just going to leave this on so that we know that this I'll be interested in looking for longs right now till about this, and once we are in the premium of this leg, then I'll be interested in shorts. So this is as far as the H4 is concerned. Moving on to the M15. The M15 has turned bullish for me, so this was a bit of a tricky way to kind of mark structure here, but this is how I've marked it. And for me, this is I considered this as one leg because there was just a lot of sideways movement over here, and then I said, okay, so this is a fresh leg, and we've had a break of structure here. So the M15 for me has turned bullish. Why has it turned bullish? To well facilitate the H4 pullback. So yes, there will probably be some, like I said, some reaction from this H4 zone, which has nothing very clean in terms of an M15, but we can perhaps from the top of this range till maybe here, I can mark this as an M15 supply, and probably once we kind of pull into this, that's when we will look for a reaction to come down into some kind of a zone over here and then continue the bullish trend on the M15. So yes, to sum up, the daily is bearish, the H4 is bearish, the M15 is bullish, and M15 is bullish to facilitate the H4 pullback. What is my outlook coming into London? Since we've already had a break of structure, probably we pull a little further into this and then get some kind of a reaction, which would be a short that I would be interested in. Also looking at, we have news today. This is at 6 p.m. and at 7:30 p.m. 1:30 a.m. we've already had the Fed Chair Powell speech. My time zone needs to be London, which is here. Yeah, cool. So yeah, so that's where we are. We shall look for price to kind of pull up here and then have some kind of a reaction where I'll be interested in playing the short.